Hello my dear students, let's learn arithmetic progression exercise 1.1 of 10th standard problem number 4. Which of the following are APs, arithmetic progressions? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Here we have to find out whether the given equation is in AP and we have to find out the common difference. If it is in AP, we have to write 3 more terms. Let's start from the first problem. 2, 4, 8 and 16, so on. 2 is the first term, 4 is the second term, 8 is the third term and 16 is the fourth term. We have to find out first whether it is in AP or not. It is the first term. Let's take it as A1 equals 2. Let's find out the D, that is common difference, that is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 is 4, A1 is 2, that is 2. Here the common difference is 2. Let's do the next one, that is 8 minus 4. It means again D equals A3 minus A2. A3 is 8 and A2 is 4. 8 minus 4, it is 4. So here we are observed that we can observe that the common difference is 2 and it is 4. The common difference is not same, so it does not forms AP. D is, that is common difference is not same, so it not forms AP. This is the answer for the first question. Let's move to the second. The second question is 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2 and so on. In the same way, A1 is 2. Let's find out the common difference, that is A2 minus A1. What is A2? 5 by 2. A1 is 2. We can take it as 2 by 1. The LCM is 2. Now we can take here it as 5 by 2 into 2. 2 get cancelled. What remains? 5. Put 5 here, minus in the same way 2 by 1 into 2. The denominator 1 is not necessary, so 2 2 is 4. I will put 4 here. 5 minus 4, 1 divided by 2. Let's do the second one. D equals A3 minus A2. That is, what is A3? 3. I can write it as 3 by 1 minus A2 is 5 by 2. Let's take the LCM for this. The LCM is 2. So in the same way, 3 by 1 into 2, the denominator 1 is not necessary. 3 2 is 6. 6 minus, now 5 by 2 into 2, 2 2 get cancelled. You will get 5. So 6 minus 5, that is 1 by 2. We can see that both the common difference are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So it forms AP. D is constant. So it forms AP. The next three terms are, that means A5 equals A4 plus D. As per in the problem, the fourth term is 7 by 2 and the common difference just we got is 1 by 2. Now we can do, if the denominators are same, we can take the LCM as 2 and just add 7 plus 1, that is 8 by 2 is the fifth term. In the same way, sixth term, a5 plus d. What is a5? That just we got 8 by 2 plus 1 by 2. The denominator is 2. Let's take 8 plus 1, that is 9 by 2. In the same way, now the third term, as he asked to calculate, a7, that is a6 plus d. What is a6? 9 by 2, and the common difference is 1 by 2. So we can take LCM as 2 and take 9 plus 1. Your answer is 10 by 2. So you can also say the 2 ones, 2 fives, the answer is 5. So the next three terms are 8 by 2, 9 by 2 and 5. Yes, let's do the third problem. The third problem is minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 and minus 7 by 2 and so on. Here also we have to check whether first the problem is in AP and then common difference, and if it is in AP we have to find out the three next terms. So a1, that is first term, minus 1 by 2. Now common difference, a2 minus a1. What is a2? Minus 3.2 minus a1 means minus of minus 1 by 2. Now minus 3 by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Your answer is minus 3.2 plus 1.2. There are unlikes and we have to subtract. Your answer is minus 2. So let's let's find out the common difference for next. a3 minus a2. What is a3? Minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. Again minus 5.2, minus into minus plus 3.2. Here also you will get minus 2 as the common difference. Yes, the common difference is same. Here d is same, therefore it forms AP. Here A1, A2, A3, A4. So we can write the next three terms from A5. The next three terms are A5 equals A4 plus D. That is, what is A4? Minus 7.2 plus D means minus 2. So minus 7.2 plus into minus 2. Your answer is minus 7. What is the A4? A4 is 7.2 and a common difference is minus 2. So minus 7.2 minus 2, your answer is minus 9.2. Then A6, A5 plus D. What is A5? Just we got minus 9.2 plus of minus 2. Again minus 9.2 plus into minus 2. Your answer is minus 11.2. In the same way, what is A7, A6 plus D? What is A6? Minus 11.2 plus of minus 2. So minus 11.2 plus into minus, your answer is minus 13.2. It means if the next three terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Now the fourth problem is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2 and so on. In the same way, we have to calculate whether it is in AP or not first. A1 equals minus 10, D equals A2 minus A1. What is A2 here? Minus 6, minus of minus 10, minus 6, minus into minus plus. Your answer is 4. Let's check the next one. A3 minus A2. What is A3 minus 2? Minus of minus 6. Here minus 2 minus into minus plus 6, your answer is 4. Yes, we can observe the common difference. D is same. D is same, so it forms AP. The next three terms are, start from A5. A4 plus D. A4 is 2. 2 plus 4, that is 6. A6 equals A5 plus D. What is A5? Just we got 6 plus 4, that is 10. In the same way, A7, A6 plus D. So A6 is 10 plus 4, that is 14. Here the next three terms are 6, 10 and 14. Let's do the fifth problem. The fifth problem is 3. Then 3 plus root 2. Next 3 plus 2 root 2. And then 3 plus 3 root 2. Now let's check whether the given problem is in AP. First term, A1 equals 3. Now D equals A2 minus A1. A2 is 3 plus, A2 means 3 plus root 2 minus what is A? That is 3. Here we can cancel plus 3 and minus 3 and your answer is root 2. Let's do the second one. D equals A3 minus A2. What is A3? 3 plus 2 root 2. Let's take it in the bracket. Minus what is A2? 3 plus root 2. Next step, 3 plus 2 root 2 and remove the brackets. If there is no sign, we can consider it as plus. Minus into plus, minus 3, minus into plus, minus root 2. Now plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled. 2 root 2 and it is if there is no number, we can take it as 1 root 2. I will write once again 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. Here the root 2 and root 2, so we can take it as like such. If there is no sign, it is plus 2, so plus 2 minus 1, it becomes 1. Your answer is root 2. That is nothing but root 2. So here also the common difference is 2 and here also it is 2. So the D is same. D is same. It forms AP. The next three terms are, first A5, that is A4 plus D. What is A4? 3 plus 3 root 2 plus D is root 2. Now you can take it as 3 as it is. Then if there is no number, we can take it as 1. So 3 plus 1, 4 root 2. It is A5. Then let's do A6. What is A6? A5 plus D. A5 is 3 plus 4 root 2 and D is root 2. In the same way, 3 plus 4 plus 1, 5 root 2. And next finally, A7, that is A6 plus D. So what is the A6? 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. you can take 3 plus 5 plus 1 6 root 2. So this is the next three terms. Let's do the sixth problem. The sixth problem is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and then 0.2222. Here let's find out. A1 is 0.2, so D is as usual A2 minus A1, that is 0.22 minus 0.2. You will get the answer of 0.02 when you subtract this. In the same way, D minus A3 minus A2. What is A3? 0.222 minus A2 means 0.22 and you will get answer 0.002. Now we can clearly observing that the common difference are not same, so it does not form AP. D is not same, therefore it not forms AP. Yes, let's move to the next problem, that is seventh one. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. Here also A1 is 0, D equals A2 minus A1. So A2 is minus 4 minus 0. Your answer is minus 4. In the same way, A3 minus A2. What is A3? Minus 8 minus of minus 4. It means minus 8 minus into minus plus 4. Your answer is minus 4. So we are getting the same common difference as minus 4. D is the same, therefore it forms AP. The next three terms are, first one is A5, that is A4 plus D. What is A4? Minus 12 plus of minus 4, common difference, minus 12 plus into minus minus 4, your answer is minus 16. Then A6, A5 plus D. What is A5? Just we got minus 16 plus of minus 4. Minus 16 plus into minus minus 4. Your answer is minus 20. So in the same way, A7, that is A6 plus D. A6 is minus 20 plus of minus 4. Minus 20 plus into minus minus. Your answer is minus 24. The next three terms are minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. Let's move to the eighth problem. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So A1 is minus 1 by 2. D is taken as A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2 minus A1. So minus of minus 1 by 2. You can take minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Plus minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus get cancelled. It is 0. Let's check the next one. A3 minus A2. Here also A3 is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 D2 A2. So minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 get cancelled. It is 0. The D is same. So it forms AP. D is same. It forms AP. So next three terms A5, A4 plus D. What is A4? Minus 1 by 2 as here. Plus common difference is 0. So your answer is minus 1 by 2. Then A6, A5 plus D. What is A5? That is minus 1 by 2, and the common difference again 0. Your answer is minus 1 by 2. In the same way, A7 equals A6 plus D. What is A6? Minus 1 by 2, and the common difference is 0, and your answer is again minus 1 by 2. So the fifth, sixth and seventh terms all are minus 1 by 2. Let's do the ninth problem. 1, 3, 9 and 27. In the same way here, A1 is 1, that is the first term. Then take D equals A2 minus A1, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. In the same way, D equals A3 minus A2. A3 is 9, A2 is 3, that is we got 6. So the common difference are not same, it not forms AP. D is not same, it not forms AP. Let's do the ninth one. The first term A1 is A. Now D equals A2 minus A1. What is A2? 2A minus A. We will get answer A as the common difference. Let's do next A3 minus A2. What is A3? 3A. A2 minus 2A. 3A minus 2A means A. Here the common difference is same, it forms AP. D is same, it forms AP. The next three terms, that is A5, A4 plus D. What is A4? 4A. 4A, and the common difference is A, that is 5A. A6, A5 plus D. What is A5? 5A plus A, that is 6A. In the same way, A7 equals A6 plus D. What is A6? 6A plus A, that is 7A. So fifth, sixth and seventh terms are 5A, 6A and 7A. Let's do the 10th problem. A square, A cube and A to the power 4. The first term is A. A1 equals A. D equals A2 minus A1. A2 means A square. A1 means A. So A2 minus A, here we can take A as common, the balance A minus 1. A is taken as common, so A remains 1. A1 is A. In the same way, D equals A3 minus A2. What is A3? A cube. What is A2? That is A square. Here we can take common A square as, so what remains here? A minus 1. Here the first common difference is A into A minus 1, but here is A square into A minus 1. The common difference is not same. D is not same, it not forms AP. Let's do the 11th one, that is 1, 3, 9 and 27. So A1 is 1, D equals A2 minus A1. What is A2? 3 minus 1, that is 2. In the same way here, A3 minus A2. A3 is 9 minus 3, here it is 6. Now we can observe the common difference is 2 and 6. D is not same, it also not forms AP. Let's do the 12th one. Here a1 is root 2. D common difference, a2 minus a1. Here a2 is root 2 minus a1 is root 2. We can take 8 as 4 into 2 minus root 2. If we take away 4 from the square root, it becomes 2 root 2 minus 2. The 2 root, it is of the like side. If there is no number, we can take it as 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. 1 root 2 is nothing but root 2. Let's do next. a3 minus a2. What is 8 3? Root 18 minus root 8. We can take 18 as 9 into 2 minus 4 into 2. So we can take away 9 as 3 root 2 minus 4 as 2 root 2. So 3 minus 2, 2. That is 1 root 2. It is nothing but root 2. We can observe the common difference is same, that is root 2. We can form AP here. D is same. It forms AP. So A5 equals A4 plus D. What is A4? Root 32 plus root 2. So you can write root 32 plus root 2, 9, 8 into 4 plus root 2. So 8 plus 4 means you can put 4 as 2 root 8 plus root 2. In the same way, 8 is written as 4 into 2 plus root 2. 2 you can, if you remove 2 root 2, 2 plus root 2, 2 to the 4. So 2 to the 4, root 2 plus root 2. If again I take 4 in, so it means if there is 1, you can take it as 4 plus 1, 5 root 2. If I continue, if I take 5 into here, it becomes 25. So 25 into 2, your answer is root 50. Or you can finish up to this level also. Let's do the A6, that is A5 plus D. What is A5? Just we got root 50 plus D is root 2. So 50 is written as 25 into 2 plus root 2. If I take 25, it becomes 5 root 2 plus root 2. 5 plus 1, that is 6. So I will write 6 root 2. Now I will take 6 into the square root. It becomes 636 into root 2. So 36 into root 2, it becomes root 72. In the same way, if I do A7, it is A6 plus D. What is A6? Root 72 plus D is root 2. You can write it as 36 into 2 plus root 2. If I take 36 out of the root, it becomes 6 root 2 plus root 2. 6 plus 1, 7 root 2. And finally, if I take in the 7, it becomes 49 into 2. You will get root 98 here. Root 50, root 72 and root 98 are the next 3 terms. Let's do the 13th one. A1 equals root 3. D equals A2 minus A1, that is root 6 minus root 3. If I take the 36 away out of square root, it becomes 36 and it is 9. 36 minus 9, it is 27. Let's do a3 minus a2. What is a3? Root 9, and a2 is root 6. It becomes 81 and it becomes 36. If we remove 81 minus 36, it is 45. Here the common difference is not same, so it not forms AP. Let's do the 14th one. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and 7 square. So a1 1 square, that is 1. D equals a2 minus a1, that is 3 square minus 1 square, that is 9 minus 1, it is 8. Let's do the next one. a3 minus a2. What is a3? 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, that is 16. Here the common difference is not same, it also not forms AP. AP. Let's do the last one. a1 equals 1 square, that is 1. D equals a2 minus a1, that is 5 square minus 1 square, that is 25 minus 1 equals 24. Let's do a3 minus a1. 7 square minus a2, that is 5 square. 49 minus 25, we got 24. Here the common difference is same, and D is same, it forms AP. So the A5 next three terms, A4 plus D, A4 is 73 plus 24, that is we got 97. A6, A5 plus D. What is A5? 97 plus 24, we got, if we add, 121. In the same way, A7, A6 plus D. What is A6? 121, and common difference is 24. If we add, we will get 145. So the next three terms are 97, 121 and 145. So it is the long problem, as we are having the 15 problems under the same head. If you like the video, please share and subscribe it. I will meet you in the next problem, the next video. Thank you.